Hey everybody, spring is upon us here at the ranch, and this is your notice that we are going to begin closing out those spring pre-orders very, very soon, as we need all those orders in so we can finish growing those plants for spring pickup. Whether you've ordered or you haven't ordered, the ranch is so much more than just those spring pre-orders. So we picked the coolest, unique plants for pre-orders just because we could never grow enough for everybody, so we take orders for some of our coolest stuff. But the truth is, we have countless other amazing varieties across many different species and cultivars of cool plants. It's really what we're all about. It's in the name, groovy plants. Additionally, one of the things we take the most pride in is taking great care of our customers and making everyone feel welcome. So this spring, get excited, get ready to come down to the ranch, and when you come to pick up, you can expect to find all kinds of cool and unique discoveries, and it changes constantly. The ranch is a different experience every time you come, any time of the year. So here's your invitation. Come on down to Groovy Plants Ranch and see what everybody's talking about.